the most important one, but also the one I don't think is really talked about often enough. Delegate. And I'm really going to change it to delegate and celebrate. Because while we can plan and we can try to use these time-saving strategies to shave away at our schedule and carve out some time to cook, sometimes delegating whole tasks to other people can really be the thing that makes a difference in our schedules. So if you are somebody who has a partner at home, maybe you could ask them to help with a few of these meal prep ideas. Maybe they come up with a meal plan for the week, or maybe the two of you trade off weeks where one week one of you meal plans and the next week the following person meal plans. Even if you have littles, depending on how old they are and their fine motor skills, they can start helping you in the kitchen too.